Hello and welcome, your new go-to destination for all SAP things. SAP Learner. Whether you are a complete beginner or looking to sharpen your skills, this channel is designed to guide you through the world of SAP, one of the most powerful and widely used enterprise software system in the world. SAP stands for System Application and Product in Data Processing. SAP was one of the first companies to develop standard software for business solution and continues to offer industry-leading ERP solutions. You might think, what is ERP? ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. ERP software includes programs for all core business areas such as procurement, production, material management, sales, marketing, finance, and human resource. SAP grouped in two major modules, technical modules and functional modules. In technical modules, we have ABAP, stands for Advanced Business Application Programming. Next is BASIS, stands for Business Application Software Integrated Solution. Next is HANA, stands for High Performance Analytic Application, and etc. In functional module, we have FICO, stands for Finance and Controlling. Next is Material Management. Next is PP, stands for Production Planning, and etc. That's it for this session. We are going to start new course for ABAP module. Stay with us for learning and enhance your skills. Thank you for watching, and if you like the video, don't forget to like and please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for future updates.